Meaning of featherweight.
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 Featherweight. Featherweight is a term used to describe something that is very light. It is often used in the context of sports, particularly in boxing and mixed martial arts, to describe a weight class for fighters who weigh between 57 kilograms and 61 kilograms. In general, being described as featherweight implies that the object or person is delicate and has a lightness to it. This term can also be used metaphorically to describe something that is easy to handle or lightweight in terms of importance or significance.